Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about money, financial freedom, investing, and understanding how the world is changing financially in simple language. And honestly, one of the biggest changes happening right now is AI. Everywhere you look, people are talking about jobs being replaced, companies using automation, and how fast technology is moving. A lot of people are excited, but a lot of people are also worried. So in today's video, we're going to talk about something really important: how to stay financially secure in a world where AI is changing the way people work. And trust me, the people who prepare early are going to have a massive advantage in the future. So let's get into it. Hook, first 15 seconds. Imagine waking up one day and realizing the job you spent years learning can now be done by AI in seconds. That sounds scary. But here's the truth: the people who become financially secure in the AI era won't necessarily be the smartest. They'll be the people who adapt the fastest. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how regular people can protect themselves financially before it's too late. Intro. Right now, AI is changing everything. Companies are replacing customer service workers. AI can write emails, design logos, edit videos, even code websites. And honestly, this is only the beginning. A lot of people are panicking, but instead of panicking, you need a plan. Because every major technology shift creates two groups of people: the people who get left behind and the people who build wealth from it. Today, I want to show you how to become the second group. Section 1, your job is no longer your safety net. For a long time, people believed, go to school, get a good job, work hard, and you'll be financially secure. But that world is changing. Today, even high-paying jobs are being affected by AI. And this doesn't mean everyone will lose their jobs tomorrow. But it does mean one thing: relying on only one source of income is becoming risky. If your entire financial life depends on one paycheck, you're vulnerable. And that's why the smartest people today are focusing on something different: financial flexibility. Section 2, the new rule: build multiple income streams. In the AI economy, having one income source is dangerous. The people who will do well are building multiple ways to make money. That could be investing, freelancing, online businesses, content creation, digital products, side hustles. Even an extra $500 a month matters, because extra income creates breathing room, and breathing room creates freedom. The goal isn't to become rich overnight. The goal is to become harder to replace. Section 3, learn skills AI can't easily replace. AI is powerful, but there are still skills that matter a lot. Skills like communication, leadership, sales, creativity, relationship building, problem solving. AI can give information, but humans still create trust. That's why people who can explain ideas clearly, build communities, or solve real problems will always have value. So instead of competing with AI, learn how to work with it. Use AI as a tool, not your replacement. Section 4, stop consuming, start owning. This is one of the biggest financial shifts happening right now. Most people only consume. They scroll, watch, buy, rent. But wealthy people focus on ownership. They own investments, businesses, content, assets, intellectual property, because ownership creates income even when you're not working. And in the future, ownership will matter more than ever. That's why learning how to invest is so important. Even small investments matter over time. Section 5, build an emergency plan now. A lot of people wait until they lose a job to prepare financially. That's backwards. Right now, you should focus on building emergency savings, reducing unnecessary debt, improving your skills, creating extra income streams, because uncertainty is the new normal. And the people who survive uncertainty best are the people who prepare early. Ending. AI is not just changing technology, it's changing the entire economy, but this doesn't have to be bad news. Every major shift in history created new opportunities. The internet did, smartphones did, and AI will too. The question is, will you ignore the change or prepare for it? Because financial security in the future won't come from having the perfect job. It'll come from being adaptable. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe because I'll be breaking down money, AI, investing, and the future of wealth in simple language. And remember, the future belongs to the people who learn faster than the world changes. Because uncertainty is the new normal, and the people who survive uncertainty best are the people who prepare early. The future belongs to the people who learn faster than the world changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.